Hey, it's Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you can you change or delete music from Instagram post. Now if I go to Instagram and let's say I want to add this photo as my photo post with a music, next add, then boom bam share. Okay, now as you can see the photo is posted, but there's nothing I can do to actually change the music. Now I can mute it or unmute it with the bottom right, but that only happens for you. So removing the image is not possible. You have to delete the post and post it again. So let's delete it. Top right on the three dots, click on delete, then go back. Let's say I want the same picture, next, and I would just choose a different music, next, share, and that's it. So now I have shared the same image/post with a different music on it, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.